In the wild world of predators, a direct, unbroken stare is a threat. It is a warning, a promise of a hunt, and usually the very last thing an animal sees before a strike. But when your little cat sits across the room, locks their eyes onto yours, and gently, slowly lowers their eyelids, they are doing something that goes against their entire wild history. They aren't just trying to look cute, and they definitely aren't ignoring you. In their quiet, private language, this small look is actually a major choice. It is an intentional, loving moment that instantly drops their stress and fills their brain with peaceful, happy hormones. Tonight, we are decoding the secret eye contact map of your cat. We'll look at the simple science behind their gaze, why a sudden sideways glance is actually a massive compliment, and why staring back too hard can accidentally break their trust. And make sure to stay with me for behavior number 5. It reveals the exact, split-second look a cat uses to show they are ready to protect you. Let's start with the look we probably see the most, but rarely stop to appreciate the slow blink. To understand why this is such a beautiful compliment, we have to think about how a cat is built to survive. In the wild, keeping your eyes wide open is how you stay alive. The very moment a cat closes their eyes around another living being, they are choosing to let go of their quick escape routes and their main line of defense. But recent studies on cat behavior have shown us something amazing. When a house cat gives you a slow blink, their body undergoes a beautiful physical change. Their stress melts away, and a wave of natural, comforting chemicals washes through their system. By blinking slowly at you, your cat is making a conscious choice to put down their guard. They are telling you, without making a single sound, I don't have to keep watch when I'm with you. Around you, I am safe enough to let my guard down. If you want to try a fun little experiment tonight, wait until your cat is relaxed. Look at them with heavy, sleepy eyelids and blink slowly. When they blink back, you aren't just sharing a cute moment. You are participating in a silent, chemical conversation of absolute safety. This brings us to behavior number 2, the sideways glance. We've all seen this happen. Your cat is looking right at you, but then they suddenly look away to scan the room, only to look right back at your face a second later. It's easy to think they've just lost interest, or that they are being easily distracted. But in a cat's mind, this quick look is a highly intelligent safety check. When a cat hears a sudden sound like a car door shutting outside, a distant dog bark, or a creak in the floor, their wild instincts tell them to check for danger. But because your cat views you as their safe anchor, they look directly at your face first. They are checking your eyes and your expression to see if you are worried. If your face is calm and your shoulders are relaxed, they read that information and instantly relax too. That quick glance away and back to you isn't a sign of boredom. They are saying, I heard something strange, but I looked at you, and since you aren't worried, I know we are both safe. It shows just how much they rely on you to keep their world secure. This leads us to behavior number 3, the sleepy, half-closed eyes. There is a big difference between a cat that is just tired and a cat that actively keeps their eyes half-closed while looking directly at you. In the world of animal behavior, this look is all about feeling completely safe. A cat's eyesight is their most important survival tool. Their eyes are built to catch the tiny, lightning-fast movements of prey, even in the dark. So, when a cat sits near you with their eyes half-closed, they are intentionally turning down their awareness. It is their way of saying they have absolutely no need to defend themselves from you. But here is where many cat owners make a mistake. If you see those sleepy, loving eyes and immediately run over to pick them up for a big hug, you might break that trust. To a cat, being grabbed or held against their will feels like being caught by a predator. If you want them to keep giving you this sleepy-eyed compliment, you need to respect their space. When they give you that heavy, relaxed look, don't move in. Instead, just speak their name in a soft, gentle voice, and let them enjoy the quiet comfort of simply being near you. Now, let's talk about behavior number 4, the focused pupil shift. Have you ever been talking quietly to your cat and noticed their pupils suddenly get wider, even though the light in the room stayed exactly the same? You might think they saw a bug, or that they are getting ready to play, but if they are looking straight at your face, they are actually doing something much more affectionate. Your cat has an incredibly sensitive hearing system. They can easily separate their favorite human's voice from all the other sounds in the house. When you talk to your cat using a slightly higher, warmer voice, the way we naturally talk to babies, it triggers a deep sense of safety in their brain. It reminds them of the quiet security they felt with their mother when they were tiny kittens. Their eyes widen not because they want to hunt, but because they are focusing all their attention on you. They are literally drinking in your presence, associating the sound of your voice with comfort, warmth, and absolute safety. And this brings us to behavior number 5, the soft paw touch. This is the rarest and most beautiful sign of trust a cat can give. If your cat looks at you, blinks slowly, and then gently reaches out their paw to touch your arm, your leg, or your face, they are telling you something deeply personal. In a cat's world, their front paws are incredibly precious. They use them to hunt, to balance, and to defend themselves. Reaching out a paw to touch you is a highly deliberate choice. They are taking their visual language of trust and turning it into physical touch. Remember, cats were never bred to depend on humans the way dogs were. They are independent animals who chose to live with us while keeping their wild instincts fully alive. So, when they look into your eyes, blink, and place their paw on you, they aren't just looking for a treat. They are checking in on you. They can feel your mood, and they are stepping close to show you that you aren't alone. It is their silent way of saying, "We are a team, and I am right here with you." Learning this quiet eye language means we have to stop expecting cats to love us like humans do and start meeting them on their own terms. To help you practice this at home, I've put together a very simple 3-step routine called the Visual Trust Checklist. It's a gentle way to help shy cats feel safe and to make your bond with your cat even stronger. Step 1 is the low-pressure greeting. Sit near your cat, but turn your body slightly to the side. This tells them you aren't acting like a predator. Step 2 is the soft hello. Say their name in a gentle, warm, quiet voice to bring back those comforting kittenhood memories. Step 3 is the quiet blink. When they look at you, close your eyes slowly for 3 seconds, then look away gently to give them space to respond. If they blink back, you've just had a perfect conversation in their language. Your cat may never be able to tell you how much they love you in words, but through these quiet, steady looks, they are telling you something much better. In a busy, noisy world, you are their ultimate safe place. Does your cat love to stare at you from across the room, or do they play the quick look away game? Drop a same and tell me your cat's name in the comments below. I love reading your beautiful stories. And to help you build this beautiful bond, you can download the complete, printable Visual Trust Checklist for free using the link in the description. Keep it near your favorite chair as a gentle reminder of how to speak your cat's quiet language.